What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. Thanks for visiting my channel, Horsepower House. We've had our channel for almost 20 years, and we do all kinds of stuff relating to golf carts, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, hot rods, classic cars, trucks, appliances, stuff around the house. You name it, we've probably done some kind of do-it-yourself video on it. But here's a review, and I have no affiliation with this company whatsoever, but I'm just telling you, I've tried tons of different tire shine products. Coverall by Superior Products. I'll put a link down below where you can get it, even in bulk, in larger containers. Now this stuff is not cheap, I'll go ahead and tell you that, but it is the best. Especially if you're in a hurry, because you know others, when you spray it on, you gotta wait for a good 30 minutes for it to drip down and seep in and whatnot, where this stuff, as soon as you put it on, you're ready to go in less than 5 minutes. Totally awesome, no kidding. See the links down below where you can get it on Amazon, but you can get it at most auto parts stores. Just note that it is not cheap, but it is by far the best. Make sure you check out my channel, get all kind of cool stuff, and always more happening. So like, subscribe, follow, so you can get notified whenever we do a new video that might help you. And if our video helped you, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. We appreciate all your help in supporting this channel. Have a fabulous day.